What's up, y'all? It's your dude, Lazy Nate. I'm here at the Boardwalk today, and I am going to be reviewing Blue Ribbon corn dogs right here, right in front of Trattoria Al Forno and Abracadabra, right next to Flying Fish. You order on this side, and you pick up on this side.
It really does, right? And this was the
I'm going to show you the menu. That's basically it. I came down here like on Tuesday and did a review, but unfortunately the audio didn't work. That's part of the reason I'm wearing this, just to double check and make sure. But when you put your order in, I've got one for the Golden Dragon right now. I did the pickle dog, the pickle corn dog the other day. I've got the video, and I'll talk about that here in a little bit. They give you one of these little things. Once it goes off, you go pick it up at the pickup stand. So I'll see y'all in just a second. I'm back. Got the food. It's cooled down a little bit because these hot dogs are big and it does take a while for them to cool down. Anyway, this is the Golden Dragon all beef hot dog fried in cornmeal batter, rolled in panko breadcrumbs, served with sriracha mayo and sweet Thai chili and a bag of chips. Now they do have the Mexican street dog, which is jalapeno cheddar sausage fried in cornmeal batter, topped with garlic mayo, corn kernels, tortilla cheese, and cilantro, garnished with a lime wedge and served with a bag of chips. And then, did they seriously just move over to me from over there? I just moved away from these gnats, if you see them right here. I literally just moved away from them right here and they followed. Son of them. Anyway. The pickle dog. I've already reviewed this, but this is where the audio did not work, which is an all beef hot dog wrapped in dill pickle, fried in cornmeal batter, rolled in panko breadcrumbs, served with peanut butter and a bag of chips. Basically, it's a hot dog that is pushed inside of a pickle and then made into a corn dog, which I'll get to that in a minute. But let's go ahead and do this because apparently these gnats, hopefully you don't see them, they're right about here. Yay. Now they're here. But this is how big the corn dog is. 1 ounce bag. So let's see how this tastes. Always going on. Something going on. This would be your normal corn dog. So let's start with the sweet Thai chili. To be honest with you, it smells like Buffalo Wild Wings Asian zing. It smells like it at least. Looks like it in consistency. Okay. If you're familiar with Buffalo Wild Wings Asian zing sauce, it tastes a lot like that. It's not as spicy.
The sun is a lot lower in the sky than
me a second to chew. That's sriracha mayo. It smells kind of sweet.
This is lemonade. That's
They're right here now. Great. Okay. This will be your basic panko encrusted corn dog with the two sauces. Sriracha mayo. I give both of heat wise. I give it like a point. Listen to me, 0.1 or 2. I mean, it just barely. As far as heat, as far as taste, they're pretty good. I give them both 7.2 for a taste. As far as the corn dog itself, it's just your basic panko encrusted corn dog, which we can go for this. I'm gonna give it 7.1. I'm not digging the panko for some reason. Make it a little too crunchy for me. That's me personally. But it is an all beef hot dog. Now, the other day I came and did the pickle dog. It was almost twice as fat as this. I'm gonna probably put something in the video here, whether it be a picture or some of the video from it. But it was still pretty good. It's an interesting combination. And whoa, get away from my food. Anyway, the pickle, basically it was stick, hot dog, pickle, then the crust. It was a little overdone. This one is a tiny bit overdone, but not as much as the other one was. And I mean, like I said, it's an interesting flavor combination. I think I gave it a 6.8 just because it wasn't fully centered in with the pickle. So there were some things that there were some places that you can bite in that was very tough, since a pickle exterior, I guess, toughens up while they fry it. Either way, at least try it. Just say you did. And I would say these are the hot dogs that they use for the big jumbo things in the parks. So, anyways, that's it here from
I got a fancy
the Boardwalk. Y'all have a good one. Deuces.